Just a few days ago, a Finnish retailer shook things up by listing successors to the Fenix 7 online. And here's the scoop. Garmin isn't just stopping at the Fenix 8. Nope, they're also bringing out a brand new model called the Fenix E. Pretty exciting, right? If you want to know more, check out our video from here. While the retailer did give us some tasty tidbits about pricing and models, they left us completely in the dark about the designs. Now, let's shift gears to the Instinct series, which has been on a fascinating journey since its debut back in October 2018. After the original model, Garmin came out with a solar variant in July 2020 and even an esports edition, each with its own set of upgrades. The big game changer arrived in February 2022 with the fully fledged second-generation Instinct 2. And just last November, Garmin unveiled the Instinct Crossover, a cool hybrid design that combines the functionality of the Instinct 2 with a fresh new look. So, what about the successor to the Instinct 2, currently priced at $309.99 on Amazon? Well, that's where things get interesting. Two images claiming to be the Instinct 3 have surfaced online, supposedly from a Telegram group. We can't confirm their authenticity just yet, but a sticker in the images translates to "Controlled machine cannot be shipped," suggesting this could be a pre-production model. Enter the 5K runner, who's calling them fake, at least partially. But people arguing that the images might actually be real. So we're in this intriguing space where it's tough to say if these pics are of an Instinct 3, a retail unit, or something else entirely. If these images are genuine, the Instinct 3 seems to be a slight design evolution, potentially offering users enhanced functionality while keeping the rugged durability that Instinct fans adore. The overall design in these mystery images does match up with previous Instinct generations, so we can't completely write them off just yet. It's like a tech mystery novel, and we're all just waiting for the next chapter to unfold. As with all leaks, it's wise to stay cautious, but these images offer an exciting peek into the potential future of Garmin's Instinct line. Stay tuned for more updates and catch you in the next one.